Hello guys, here we have Electrolux Dishwasher ESM64840SX and welcome on the detailed overview of the programs in this device. So the first program is Eco. Dishwasher load is for a crockery, cutlery, pots, pans. Degree of soil is normal, lightly dried on. The program phase is a pre-wash, dishwashing, intermediation rinse, final rinse, drying and air dry. The additional options for this cycle is extra power, glass care, extra hygiene. The next program is 160 minutes. The dishwasher load is a crockery, cutlery, pots, pans. Normally the degree of soil is a normal to heavy dried on. The program phase is a pre-wash, dishwashing 60 degrees, intermediation rinse, final rinse and drying with the air dry. The additional options for this program is extra power, glass care, extra hygiene. The next program is 90 minutes for the crockery, cutlery, pots, pans. The degree of soil is a normal, lightly dried on. The program phases is dishwashing, intermediation rinse, final rinse, drying, air dry. The additional options like before. The next program is 60 minutes for the crockery and cutlery. The degree of soil is a fresh, lightly dried on. The program phases is dishwashing 60 degrees, intermediation rinse, final rinse and air dry. The extra options is extra power, glass care and extra hygienic. The next program is 30 minutes for the crockery and cutlery. The degree of soil is for fresh dishes. The program phases is dishwashing 50 degrees of Celsius, intermediation rinse, final rinse and air dry. The auto mode is for crockery, cutlery, pots and pans. Degree of soil all. Program phases pre-wash, dishwashing, intermediation rinse, final rinse and drying. And the last program is a none. This is for a self-cleaning of your device with no any dishes. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.